Oh my god, that hurt. Oh, that's really good. Hey guys, it's Aileen here and welcome back to my channel. So as some of you guys might already know, I was recently in South Korea and I love that place. And while I was there, a lot of you guys have messaged me asking or requesting that I buy some Korean snacks or drinks so that I can make a video where I try them. Now it sounded like a lot of fun, so I went ahead and shopped at Lotte Mart and bought a lot of this stuff. Now before I start, I just want to give a quick shout out to my friend Dayang in South Korea for helping me come up with all these snack ideas. Now without further ado, let's start with snack number 1. Oh, by the way, before I go on, I just want to say an apology in advance if I end up the Korean names of these snacks, which I bet I will. So the first one that we have here is this junk food called this Choco Pie. Looking at the packaging, it already reminds me of a particular junk food that we also have here in the Philippines because it's really quite similar. You can put it on your fingers while you eat them. In Korea, they also do it the same way. Now let's open it up. Ta-da! That's quite underwhelming. I expected it to have like a bit of a strong sweet corn flavor, but it almost borders on being bland. It's not also that sweet, but yeah, it's okay, but the flavor just doesn't work for me. Next up, we have honey butter chips. I was told that this has taken Korea by storm because a lot of people loved it, and even celebrities regularly take photos or selfies with this snack. Let's see what the hype is all about. It has a very unique smell. Now for the first chip, it's sweet. I can definitely see why some people would like this, but for me, though I like eating it now, I think that after several bites, we'll kind of get sick of its taste. Wait, I'll finish eating first. I think this is the first time that I've tasted this kind of flavor, and it's quite interesting, yeah. So now this is a moist and chewy cake that is obviously shaped into a fish. It has 8 packets inside. So the fish inside looks like this. It's so cute. So the first bite hasn't made me reach the chewy filling yet, so I'm gonna continue eating. Okay, so I think I'm scammed. I mean, I already ate halfway through it, but I still don't see the marshmallow. Where's the marshmallow? But I did kind of bite onto something really chewy right now. So I guess there is marshmallow in this one, but I think this is one of those snacks where they really skimp on putting the ingredients that's supposed to be there. Either way, I actually like it. So the cake is kind of like those custard or chiffon kind of cakes, so it makes me like it instantly. Meanwhile, the chocolate filling is not the kind of chocolate that's too overpowering, so you can kind of say that they complement one another. I like it. Even if they scanned me and didn't really put enough marshmallow as I expected it to have. Because I mean, come on now. Look at the packaging. It says like there's supposed to be marshmallow. Marshmallow. Now while we're still in the topic of cakes, over here is Lattes Custard cake. I don't think this will disappoint me because it has to have custard in it. It just has to. So the one that I bought has 12 packets of custard cake that are individually wrapped. Yeah, this one I really like as well. It's like the same chiffon, or more like a sponge cake actually, that has this really sweet and fluffy, kind of fluffy custard filling inside. It's also really light, so I think if I were to eat this, I will probably eat 3 packets at most. So next up, I'm finally going to feature a drink. Now this is not a popular drink. I don't think so. I just bought it in Korea, but I have to feature this now because I'm feeling really thirsty after all that cake. And of course, obviously, this is a grape flavored drink. That's interesting. It has bits of jellies inside. Okay, I'm a bit frustrated because I'm really thirsty, and this one has jellies, and it's a bit hard to like really drink it without the jellies blocking the straw. I think they need to make this a bit bigger, but it's alright. I would have loved it more if it actually gives me enough fluids. This packaging is really bad. I guess I can tip it down. I'm just gonna get some water. Moving on, I have here a wasabi flavored junk food. Now I'm not exactly thrilled about trying this one because I don't like anything in wasabi. But my friend Dayang in South Korea told me that snacks that are in wasabi flavor are quite a hit in the city, so I might as well just try it. I just opened it and it looks a bit scary because it looks like it's really packed with a lot of flavor. And they are shaped like little crabs. Ooh, there's the wasabi. Well, now that I ate it, I stand corrected. It's not too strong. It's actually tolerable, but I'm not gonna eat the rest of this because I just really don't like wasabi. For those who can't tolerate the taste of wasabi, this is definitely something that can work with you. After all, it has that kick at the end or an aftertaste where there are like tones of wasabi in your mouth. It's actually quite nice, but yeah, this is just not for me. But it's tasty, I can admit that. Next up, I have Lotte's famous cookie sticks, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with. So since I like chocolate and I like saving things for last, I'm gonna try the vanilla one right now. So the thing that I like about this particular brand of cookie sticks is that the stick is quite thick and it also has a lot of filling on it. Much like how I expected it to be, it tastes like cookies and cream. In particular, it tastes like Hershey's cookies and cream. So it's really good. This is definitely the kind of food that you would like to have in your bag because not only is it easy to eat, but it's really tasty. Now another thing that my friend Dayang recommended is this yogurt jelly. It looks like gummy bears, but in the shape of a yogurt bottle. Now for the taste. Honestly, I don't see anything special about it because it tastes just like a gummy bear with a bit of a bitter aftertaste. No, not bitter, like a sour where the yogurt part of it comes in. But then sometimes I don't really taste that aftertaste, so it just ends up being like gummy bear kind. So what I have here is this kind of biscuit that a reader recommended to me, so let's give it a try. So it has 2 packs inside, and this is how the biscuit looks like. Actually really good. It's sweet. The bits that it has is sesame seed, an infused flavor of coconut. Maybe that's why I like it so much. Either way, yeah, this is really perfect for like afternoon tea or something because the taste is not overpowering and basically it's just something that you won't get tired of nibbling on. So in line with Korea's honey butter craze, I have here the honey butter almond. I just really love how they make packaging with all these cute characters and stuff. This is how it looks like inside. Now I've actually been wearing braces for almost 2 months now, and my dentist from Dental World Manila explicitly told me to avoid eating nuts because I have ceramic braces. So yeah, I am saying sorry to my dentist. It will only be just this once, I promise. Oh my god, that hurt. Oh, that's really good. The pain is worth it. Really like it. Oh, I want to have another one. It really hurts my teeth right now. It's only just because of my braces, but yeah. Wow. Remember how I didn't like the honey butter chips as much? But for this one, I love it. I like how the almond is mixed with this creamy butter. It really works. The combination works. So we're almost finished, but I have 3 more to show you. One of which is Lotte's famous Choco Pie. And this is how it looks like. And now I'm gonna break it in 2 so we can see the inside. Look at that! Finally, it has the marshmallow, oh my god, marshmallow filling that I expected it to have. This is a breakdown of the Choco Pie. It has round layers of cake sandwiched on this marshmallow filling and then coated with chocolate. That was quite messy, but if you want a clearer view of the parts of the Choco Pie, you can see it on this packaging. Second to the last is this junk food that seemed to be in the shape of fishes or different kinds of seafood. They're really cute. Look at all the shapes that it is in. This one is obviously a fish, starfish, a squid, and there's so much more inside. Now for the taste. It's crispy and it's hollow, and the taste is a bit savory. I guess it just felt weird at first how it was hollow inside, but it makes for a good crunchy snack. Lastly, I have here Korea's famous banana milk. There are actually different brands that sell banana milk in Korea, but I guess the classic will be this brand, which is called Stingray. A lot of people actually love this drink, so I'm quite excited about how it will taste for me. Wow! It's actually really good. For some reason, it reminds me a bit of Philippine sagot gulaman. But yeah, the taste of ripe bananas is definitely there, but with a milkier taste. Now I really wish I bought more, because I only bought like a 4-pack. Now I understand why a lot of people were like hoarding this in Lotte Mart. Oh gosh. It's really good. That's it, we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed eating all of this food. If you guys got the time, I hope you would leave a comment below to let me know if you would like to see similar videos like this in the future, where I buy snacks in the countries that I visit and then try them. All in all, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!